So here it is the KZ, yes, the KZ headphone. Okay, this is the KZ ZSE or ZSE, however you wanna pronounce. Let me open my Swiss knife and then open the packaging of it. I mean, I think I'm gonna like it. Literally, I think so, but I'm not sure. That's why I'm gonna open the packaging. Okay. Okay, now let me take out the plastic. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, now let me okay, now here I think I'll open it. They try to make a little bit frustration free packaging. Yes, better than the plastic, I mean packaging, which is really very hard to open sometime. This is how a geek do the unboxing of a headphone. Safety number one priority, remember to close it. So here we go. Okay, it comes with like some silicone, I mean tips. This is a user guide. Wow, I'm happy. Literally, I'm happy. I mean, they put the user guide. Can you see? Geek is happy, literally happy. And now, let me open this one and showcase to you. Wow. Let me store the ear tips. I mean, in my okay, no, this case where's my ear. You know, I stored the extra ear tips because I get lost easily. Okay, here we go. Wow, look at that. I mean, look at that. This headphone make me happy. Geek is now happy. Look at it, the cyan blue color. Look at it. I literally mean look at it. I mean, this is beautiful looking one. Wow, I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. Now let me put on my ear and jump back to me. So here are the headphone. Let me put in my ear. Okay, you see I'm putting in my ear, and then let me listen to some song. Here we go. Let me listen to Bonnie and Rasputin. The bass is good, the bass is high. It's good, it's comfortable. Okay, it's I mean the ear tip just come in my ear. That is bad. You see, the ear tip just come out in my ear again. Ra ra Raspati Levis Kisaki. The ear tip sometimes come up, but other than that, the bass is good. Literally for $10, the bass is like $50 headphone. I can recommend it. Literally, yes, it's a must buy. Other than that, the silicone, I mean, come out. I don't know why. Yeah, it was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.